trout were released into the rivers here back in 1888 after the opening of the track. The original stock of trout. A couple of years later, in 54, the Homer Tunnel was officially opened. We're cruising up, and this is where the fishing fleet ties up. The fishing boats operate out on the coast, and for the most part they target fjordland spiny rock lobster, more commonly known as crayfish. About 200 tonnes of lobster is processed through Milford each year. The majority is exported live to China, for one simple reason. Grand private boat here. And there is also a public boat ramp. You can see some of the lobster pots stacked up on the shore. And the green building is using in fresh water at the moment. The lobster definitely don't like fresh water. If we have a drought, but often to maintain the quality of the system we have to truck salt water from the east coast. Road. It drops 1 kilometre over only 17 kilometres of riverbed, so it floods out quite rapidly. Houses 0.5 metres to future-proof this place against sea level.